Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to hide a folder in Windows 11. To begin, locate the folder that you wish to hide. For demonstration purposes, let's say we want to hide a folder on the desktop. Once you found your folder, right-click on it. From this menu, click on Show More Options. This will reveal additional settings related to the folder. Next, select Properties at the bottom of this list. In the Properties window, look for the section labeled Attributes. Here check mark the box next to Hidden. This action marks your folder and all its contents as hidden. After checking that box, click OK to apply these changes. Now that your folder is hidden, let's explore how to view it again if needed. To see hidden folders and files, double-click on this PC located on your desktop. Once inside this PC, navigate up to the top of File Explorer and click on View. Next, hover over Show in this drop-down menu and then click on Hidden Items. By doing so, all files and folders marked as hidden will now become visible once again. If you wish to hide those folders again for privacy reasons, simply clicking Hidden Items once more will remove that check mark and conceal those files again. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.